quick quantum mechanics. Now, quantum mechanics is the behavioral study of molecules, particles, and atoms as they interact with light and other frequencies within the collective consciousness or electromagnetic field. Now, when we start talking about the vibrational aspects of the universe, we enter the quantum realm of thought. Now, quantum mechanics, in a nutshell, is when this little guy over here, which is a photon that makes up this stuff here, comes over and interacts with this guy here, which is the atom, which makes up molecules, and this stuff. In this case, I believe this to be the CGI version of salt, molecular version of salt. And then comes over into these things, our eyes, which we perceive as physical matter. Now, this all happens within the greater electromagnetic field or collective consciousness. Now, the thing about light is, first off, it's bright. It's really bright, but it's bright on different scales. And it operates on an electromagnetic wave. Now, we physically see less than 1% of what's actually out there. It's the same for the rest of our senses. We physically sense less than 1% of what's actually out there. Now, that really shocked me. There was like evidence of the unseen world in my eyes. So what do we know about atoms? Well, first off, they're really, 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 really small, like super small, super small. And they're made up of even smaller things called protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are made up of even smaller things, which are in turn made up of even smaller things. Now, they're constantly in motion, which means they're constantly moving or constantly vibrating, and they all move at different frequencies or wavelengths. They're also 99% empty space, and everything is made of them. So everything is practically empty space. Now this, when I first found this out, this like kind of shocked me. It stemmed so much other questions, and one of the big questions that have popped up is, if everything is empty space, what is matter? Why does this cool little baseball over here not go through this awesome brick wall over here? What stops this ball going straight through this wall? Well, the answer, ka-ching, is forces, guys. It's forces. In this case, the covalent bond. Now, there's a few different forces in here, but the covalent bond is the strongest of these forces. Now, this bond is a term used to describe what happens when the nuclei of two atoms comes together and forms a mutual attraction from its shared electrons, a bit like this picture here. But don't worry about all that stuff. Forget the names, forget that stuff. The main thing that I want to bring your attention to is that everything is energy, atoms, light, forces, all of that stuff, vibrating at different frequencies. That's it. So where do we come in? Well, we also generate an electromagnetic field, which is tuned by like our thoughts and emotions and the energy that we are spirited with. So our thoughts produce gamma waves. Our brain and our thoughts produce gamma waves, a powerful wave. And our heart produces a wave or energy that's 100 times stronger than that of our brain. Now, another awesome thing is our spirit generates a energy that's even stronger than that of our heart. So if we learn to align the energies of these, manifestation is powerful. It really, really, really is. Now, because of those powers, because of people learning to manifest through that, here are some of the things that we have manifested up throughout, mankind's history. Ice cream and tacos. The works, guys, the works. So ultimately, we are vibrational beings living in a vibrational universe, experiencing a vibrational reality. And we experience the vibrations that we tune into. So vibrate to the frequency of life you wish to live. That's really all there is to it. Honestly, that's all there is to it. Now, if that wasn't words of wisdom enough for you, I'm going to finish off this quick quantum mechanics segment with some quotes from two of science's rock stars. Now, the first guy created this cool thing here. It is the first AC inductor. So this guy pretty much discovered electricity, and yeah, for those who don't know him, he is Sir Nikola Tesla. Now, he said that if you wish to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So everything is energy vibrating at certain frequencies. Now, the other guy is most famous for this equation here and needs no further introduction. He is Sir Albert Einstein. Now, he said that everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you wish to live, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy, this is physics. Well, my job as a quantum transformation specialist is to study and understand the physics of this really cool phenomenon, that we call reality. Yeah, that's what I do. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video and you feel it will help someone you know, please like and share it around with your friends. If you want to check out the full version of this manifestation masterclass, then click the link below. I'll see you there. Have a beautiful day.